Today we'll show you how to use the Kinetik Wellbeing blood pressure monitor. Step 1. Setup. You can either use batteries or charge this blood pressure monitor with an AC adapter. For batteries, simply install the 4 AAA batteries provided, making sure the polarity is correct. To charge the blood pressure monitor, insert an adapter cord into the port on the right side of the monitor and insert the AC adapter plug into an outlet to charge it. To prepare the cuff, insert the edge of the cuff into the D-ring. Step 2. Taking a measurement. Place the cuff on the left upper arm with the tube pointing toward the palm of the hand. Wrap the cuff around your upper arm with the lower edge of the cuff around 2 to 3 centimeters above the elbow. It is recommended that the cuff be neither too tight nor too loose. You should be able to easily insert 2 fingers between the cuff and the upper arm. Insert the air hose into the air connector. Before the measurement, take 3 to 5 deep breaths and relax. Don't talk or move your arm during the measurement. Press the power button. All of the symbols will appear on the display for a few seconds. Then the cuff will begin to inflate to take the measurement. Once it's complete, it will deflate and display the reading. If the cuff was applied too loosely, it may cause unreliable results or the cuff might not start to inflate. The cuff check indicator will flash to help determine if the cuff is on correctly. This icon will appear if it is on incorrectly and change to this icon when it is fitted correctly. After the measurement, M1 will flash to remind you to record the reading. Press the M1 button to record the reading. If an irregular heartbeat was detected during the measurement, this icon will appear. We recommend contacting your GP if you see this icon frequently. This icon could appear if body movement was detected during and after a measurement. Movement can impact the reading, so we recommend taking another reading and staying still. Press the power button to turn off your blood pressure monitor. Step 3. Accessing previous readings. This blood pressure monitor can store 30 readings and automatically calculate the average value of the last 3 readings. When the memory is full, the oldest reading will be automatically replaced by the latest reading. After a measurement or when the device is on standby, you can press the M1 button to recall memory. After pressing the M1 button, the display will show the average value of the last 3 readings. If you press the button again, the display will show 01, which indicates the last reading and measuring time. Press the button again to see the other previous readings. Next, we'll move on to troubleshooting. The error code ERR could appear if the cuff is on incorrectly, if the cuff plug has been inserted too loosely, or if there was movement during the reading. To resolve this, ensure the cuff is placed correctly on the arm and that the cuff tube is inserted tightly. Repeat the measurement and stay still during it. This symbol indicates that the batteries are running low. Replace the batteries with new ones. If your blood pressure monitor is not turning on, try replacing the batteries, making sure the polarity is correct. For further support, visit www.kinetikwellbeing.com/product-support/. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful.